Welcome to Dream Autos. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting revivals in American automotive history, the 2026 Plymouth Stick Fish Cuda. The name alone carries a legacy of raw muscle, power, and rebellion, and Plymouth has brought it back with a modern twist that blends classic muscle car heritage with futuristic innovation. The 2026 Cuda is not just a car, it's a statement that the muscle era is far from over. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Plymouth Stick Fish Cuda has been designed to turn heads and spark nostalgia while embracing the aerodynamic precision of the modern age. The front fascia is aggressive and wide, featuring a low-slung grille with bold horizontal slats and signature LED lighting that pays homage to the original Cuda's fierce expression. The sculpted hood features dual air intakes and dynamic lines that not only look stunning, but also serve to enhance engine cooling and performance. The entire body sits low to the ground, creating an intimidating stance that exudes raw power even when parked. Moving along the side profile, the Cuda retains its muscle car DNA, wide haunches, short overhangs, and a fastback roofline that flows beautifully into the rear. The muscular wheel arches house large alloy wheels with performance tires that grip the road with authority. The design is clean yet powerful, with subtle curves blending seamlessly with sharp character lines. The use of carbon fiber and aluminum throughout the body reduces weight while maintaining structural rigidity, allowing this beast to perform like never before. At the rear, the 2026 Stick Fish Cuda embraces its heritage while stepping boldly into the future. The taillights feature a sleek LED bar that stretches across the width of the car, reminiscent of classic Cuda styling, but infused with modern sophistication. The dual exhaust system roars with intensity, and the integrated rear diffuser adds both performance and aesthetic appeal. A subtle spoiler completes the look, giving the Cuda the perfect mix of retro muscle and contemporary aggression. Inside, the 2026 Plymouth Stick Fish Cuda offers a short yet impressive look into the future of American interiors. The cabin is focused around the driver, with a sporty yet comfortable design. High-quality materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum dominate the space. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the center infotainment system combines advanced connectivity with intuitive controls. The seats are deeply bolstered for high-speed comfort, reminding you that this car is built to perform. Now, let's talk performance, the soul of the Cuda. Under the hood, the 2026 Stick Fish Cuda is powered by a high-output V8 engine with hybrid assistance, delivering both brute force and surprising efficiency. The acceleration is breathtaking, pushing you back in your seat as it roars to life. The new suspension and all-wheel drive system give it precision handling, allowing it to conquer both the track and the street. With horsepower figures rumored to surpass 750, the Cuda isn't just fast, it's ferocious. Finally, the price. The 2026 Plymouth Stick Fish Cuda is expected to start around $110,000, depending on trim and performance options. For that price, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in a piece of American history reborn for a new generation. The 2026 Plymouth Stick Fish Cuda captures everything that made classic muscle cars legendary and amplifies it with modern engineering, technology, and design. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's built to dominate. Thanks for watching Dream Autos, your home for in-depth reviews and the latest updates on the world's most exciting performance cars.